How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WhatsApp voice messages when they're not working. So if you can't record or send voice messages on your iPhone or Android, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the settings on your phone. Swipe down so you can see the search bar and type Permissions. Tap on it, then scroll down and find Microphone and tap on it. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp, then tap on it. Make sure the toggle is on so WhatsApp has access to your microphone. This lets the app record and send voice messages properly. Next, if voice messages are still not working, go back into Settings and open Bluetooth. Try turning Bluetooth off temporarily. Sometimes WhatsApp tries to use a microphone from another connected device instead of your phone, and that can cause issues. Turning Bluetooth off often fixes the problem. If that didn't work, the next step is to close all other apps on your phone. Another app might be using your microphone. Maybe you're on a call or a video chat. Swipe up or use your device's method to see all open apps and close them. Then open WhatsApp again and try sending a voice message. If it works now, that means another app was blocking microphone access. Finally, if voice messages are still not working, the simplest solution is to restart your phone. Just turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This usually clears any temporary glitches, and your WhatsApp voice messages should work perfectly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to record and send voice messages on WhatsApp again.